জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
Nayan, open the door. Listen, I won't go anywhere without knowing your answer. Open the door right now. Nayan? Nayan!
I don't have any choice other than to face him now. Please help me, Lotus. I don't even know what I'm going to tell him. I don't even know that.
Nayan? 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 Nayan, open the door right now. Nayan, I'm still waiting to know what my mom's wishes regarding my wedding. As you're able to see mom and talk to her too, that's why it is your responsibility to prove that my mom doesn't like Jasmine. Where is the proof, Nayan?
Piku, come
Yes?
for a minute.
Excuse me. Yes,
Where is Dripto? I can't find him.
exactly. Even I didn't see Dripto for a long time. Anyway, let me go and check, okay?
Okay.
What's this? Why were you standing so close?
Hey, Chowmin! My husband is looking so handsome, isn't it?
Disgusting.
Rangana,
What
let
is
me
it?
go, Rangana. I need
No.
to go and find Dripto.
What? Why do you need to find him? Isn't he at the party? Is he lost?
Rangana, listen to me. Please don't make it public. Listen, imagine how will the guest feel if the person who threw the party is not present. Wouldn't it look bad?
Yes.
So don't tell anyone about it, okay?
Shh.
Just keep quiet.
I must tell everyone about it. Grandma! Deepu is missing! He is not present at the party. Can you imagine, Grandma?
Mrs. Basu.
Yes?
Where is Dripto?
I don't know. I can't find him. I don't know where
Sanjukta.
he is. Excuse me.
Sanjukta,
Hey, what happened?
Sanjukta, I went to his room. He's not there.
What?
Yes.
Really?
Something is wrong, Mrs. Basu. The way Rangana is shouting about it in public. What will you do if the guests question us?
Yeah, I'm worried too. Dripto is changing his mind frequently. What if he refuses to get married?
Keep quiet. Don't talk like an idiot. No. Nothing as such will happen. Nothing will happen. Jasmine, let's go and search the whole house properly. Where can he go? He must be somewhere here. Let's go.
Hello, my sweet sister.
Brother? Brother,
How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm great as I met you.
Let me introduce Mrs. Basu. He's my brother Jayanta. She's Dripto's mom. And he's Dripto's uncle.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Vicky.
Yeah. Yeah,
nice
same
meeting
here.
you.
So, you introduced me to everyone. But where's Dripto? Won't you introduce him?
Speak up, Nayan. Nayan, open your mouth. Why are you silent? The party has already started. Didn't you know that I'm getting late? What were you doing sitting behind the locked door, Nayan? Nayan, answer me. What were you doing
I
here?
won't be able to prove it to you, sir.
What?
Please forgive me, sir. I told Mother to appear in front of you and tell you about her wish. But that's not possible. Mother can't appear in front of you, sir. What can I do?
That's really strange. My mom appears in front of you. She shares what she wants with you, but not with me. Tell me something, Nan. Whatever you said about Jasmine till date, is everything true? Or did you make everything up in Mom's name?
No, sir, no. Not at all. I can't even imagine lying in Mother's name. I can never do that.
I don't trust you at all, Nayan.
How will I make you trust me, sir? I don't know how will I. How will I? I don't understand.
You don't need to do anything. You don't need to say anything. I've understood everything. Everything was a lie. Everything was a lie, Nayan. Actually, you're not able to stand Jasmine. You wanted to be great, and hence you told me that I should get married. It was just a pretense, Nayan. You just cannot tolerate Jasmine with me. Isn't that right? And that is the reason you lied on the pretext of my late mother. That my mom does not like Jasmine, right? Admit it, Nayan. Tell me, Nayan. Tell me what the truth is. Tell me!
No, sir. I am not a liar. Trust me, I am not a liar, sir. Sir? Sir, no, sir. I am not a liar, sir. Please trust me. I am not a liar. Please believe me, sir. I'm not a liar, sir. Please believe me. Please believe me.
Why are you crying? Tell me. Why are you crying, Nan? Do not cry. You cannot fool me with your tears. Do you get it? Huh? You couldn't keep your promise. Didn't you tell me that Jasmine will cause me harm? And that you can do anything to protect me from any kind of danger? Were you able to keep your promise? Were you able to?
Comes, you will be getting married. So won't you ask for your father's opinion about your wedding? Hello, Tapu. Tapu, are you coming? When will you reach? Party has already started. When will you come? What? You can't come? The train got cancelled because of the rain. What now? What will happen now?
What happened, Grandma? Won't father be able to come?
No. He can't make it. The train got cancelled because of the rain. But Nayan is really hopeful that Topo will come and say in public that he doesn't want Jasmine to become his daughter-in-law. But that didn't happen either. What do we do now? How will we stop this wedding? Tell me. Who will stop this wedding?
Grandma,
Yes?
Deepu himself can cancel it.
What?
Yes. Do you see it? Deepu is nowhere to be seen. I think he ran away to avoid marrying Chowmein. He can go wherever he wants, but he should take my friend along. It will be great.
Excuses. You are trying to find excuses so that I don't announce Jasmine's name as my future wife, right? But Nayan, that's not possible anymore. I'm not your puppet. That I'll get married if you ask me to. That you'll look for a girl whom I will marry. Never, Nayan. Never. Henceforth, I will do what I want to do. Nayan? Why are you standing here? Come with me, come on. Nayan, let's go to the party. Won't you be present when I make an announcement about my wedding? Let's go.
Oh, Lotus. Why are you testing me so much? I can't hide my feelings anymore, Lotus. I can't. Please spare me. Spare me, Lotus.
Nayan, won't you come?
I can't. I can't tolerate it anymore, sir. I can't do it anymore. Please forgive me.
I wasn't forgiven either. My destiny didn't forgive me since my childhood. That's why I don't know how to forgive others. You must come, Nayan. And don't you forget that I asked you to manage everything at the party. Hey, I paid you a hefty amount. Only I can decide what you will do and what you will not do. You cannot decide that, okay? You will serve drinks and starters to the guests. You will do it.
Only for today. Please spare me only for today, sir.
It's my order, Nayan. It's your master's order, mind it. You can't have any leaves. You cannot get any leaves. Come downstairs.
Deepu!
There he is.
Hey! Where were you?
We were so worried about you.
Yes, all the guests have come. In fact, there's a special guest here.
Grandma,
Yes.
what is this? Where has brother Dipto come from? Didn't he run away with my friend? Oh no!
Rangana, I feel that Lord has turned his back on us now. We can't stop this wedding. We won't be able to. What do I do?
What?
Let me go. Let me go and inform Nayan that Topo won't come today. He won't come.
Dripto, my brother is here. Won't you introduce yourself?
Yes, absolutely. Where's your brother?
Please
Yeah.
come.
Hello, brother.
Hey,
Jasmine invited me here, but the agenda of the party is still not clear to me. Is this about your wedding or Jasmine's? But if she's the bride, I must say she's very, very lucky. You're such a handsome guy.
Jayanta, will you please stop? What are you saying?
Nayan didn't come. She disobeyed me.
I can't tolerate your pain anymore, Nayan. What do I do? My lord, why are you so merciless, my lord? Why aren't you showering your blessings on this poor girl? How much will you make her suffer? How much more, my lord? Nayan? Topo couldn't come, Nayan. Deepu didn't listen to you either. Now, I wonder what will happen now. What is this? Where are you going, Nayan?
I will go to the party, ma'am.
What did you say? You will go? What are you going there for? Do you want to watch Deepu proposing to that girl or not? Is that why you are going there? Isn't there any other way to stop this wedding?
I don't know. I don't know anything, ma'am. I must go now. Even if there's a disaster, I must watch it happen. Sir asked me to go. I can't disobey him, right, ma'am? Lourdes, everything depends on you now. Show me the way to stop this alliance. Show me the way to prevent this disaster, Lourdes. Please show me the way.
Mom, come here, please.
Yes?
Mom, why isn't everyone served the sharbat? All the guests are here. Why aren't they served drinks?
No, they
Why
were
aren't
served
they looked
properly.
after
Look,
properly? All of
No.
you, please come here.
Listen, Deepu.
All the guests are here. Why weren't they served the
No,
drinks?
sir, I
What do
mean,
you mean by that?
Sir, I mean,
Who is in charge? Where's that person? Call her immediately.
Deepu, listen, I'm here. I'll handle everything.
Mom,
Just
you know it
don't
very
be
well.
angry.
You
Deepu,
know it
listen.
very well. I don't like negligence.
No.
Who's in charge? Call her
I'll
right
handle
away.
everything.
And if she doesn't come, Where is she?